Imagine pulling up to a gas station and throwing 75% of your money directly into the trash. That is exactly what happens every time you fill a conventional car. Most of every dollar you spend on gas vanishes as useless heat before your car moves 1 inch. The rest gets eaten by air pushing against your vehicle at highway speeds. The system we all depend on daily is spectacularly inefficient. That waste has been accepted for so long that almost nobody questions it anymore. A small team in Southern California decided to question everything instead of accepting the lie. Their question started inside a computer simulation that modeled vehicle shapes and energy losses. The deeper the engineers looked, the more one idea kept surfacing with undeniable force. What would happen if you engineered aerodynamic drag down to nearly zero? Not just reduced it or improved it, but eliminated it as completely as physics allows. That single question became the founding obsession of the entire company and never let go. Everything built since that moment has been an answer to that one powerful question. The vehicle that emerged from that obsession looks unlike anything currently on any road anywhere in the world. It was not designed by starting with what cars look like and then making small improvements. It was designed by starting with the laws of physics and working forward from absolute first principles. The result is a 3-wheeled solar-electric vehicle so aerodynamically refined that it barely disturbs the air. Every curve and every surface and every angle exists for a specific energy-saving reason. Nothing was added for styling because everything must earn its place by reducing resistance. That obsession with efficiency created something genuinely remarkable in terms of driving range for real people. The vehicle is designed to travel up to 400 miles on a single electric charge from its battery pack. What makes that number extraordinary is not the range itself, but the battery required to achieve it. Because the vehicle uses roughly a quarter of the energy per mile compared to a conventional electric vehicle, the battery needed to reach 400 miles is dramatically smaller and dramatically cheaper than what competitors must install. Efficiency does not just improve the driving experience, but completely restructures the economics of the vehicle from the ground up. The smaller battery needed is also what makes solar integration not just possible, but genuinely practical for everyday use. Every other electric vehicle on the market requires so much energy per mile that solar panels could never realistically keep pace. The math simply does not work at conventional efficiency levels no matter how many panels you add to the roof. But when a vehicle uses so little energy that a modest solar array can actually cover meaningful daily distance, the entire relationship between a car and the sun changes completely for the first time in automotive history. Solar stops being a marketing novelty and becomes a real energy source that works while you sleep. The solar system integrated into the vehicle covers the hood, dashboard, roof, and rear tail section together. Those panels produce around 800 watts of power under good sunlight conditions on a typical sunny day. That translates to roughly 40 miles of free driving range generated every single day the vehicle sits in the sun. The average driver in the United States covers around 30 to 31 miles per day on average across all trips. That means for the majority of drivers in reasonably sunny locations, you can simply park outside. You never need to touch a charger or visit a gas station for most daily driving ever again. In the sunniest regions of the country, that advantage compounds dramatically over time, across weeks and months. Over the course of a full year, a driver could accumulate more than 10,000 miles of completely free driving. That power comes entirely from sunlight hitting the roof, without any fuel costs or charging stops ever required. That is not a marketing projection built on ideal laboratory conditions or fake optimistic assumptions. It is a calculation based on real solar irradiance data for Sunbelt locations across the entire United States. The freedom that number represents is genuinely difficult to overstate because it changes how you live. No fuel costs, no charging stops, no anxiety about where the next plug is located on a map. The company co-founder describes a deeply personal vision alongside being technically ambitious for the future. He talks about wanting his children to grow up in a world where they never know what it feels like to pump gas, where clean and efficient transportation is simply normal without any sacrifice or compromise required, where the cost of moving from one place to another does not depend on the price of oil. Oil prices are set by unstable markets on the other side of the world, far from your control. That kind of personal conviction running underneath the engineering decisions gives the company a rare clarity of purpose. Purely commercial ventures rarely carry the same intensity of mission or the same depth of feeling. Safety was one of the first concerns raised publicly when people saw the vehicle's unusual shape for the first time. The response from the engineering team was to go further on safety than conventional vehicles typically bother to go. The body structure is built from carbon fiber composite materials, more closely related to Formula One racing construction. Traditional automotive stamping is heavy and weak compared to this advanced approach to building vehicle structures. 6 key structural components make up the entire body for simplicity and incredible strength at the same time. A bottom tub, a top spider, a cowl, a roll hoop, and 2 body sides complete the whole structure. That simplicity is not a compromise, but a deliberate engineering choice that improves strength dramatically. When tested, the body structure recorded the highest roof crush strength of any passenger car currently on the road. The low center of gravity created by mounting the battery pack in the belly of the vehicle helps handling. That design contributes directly to handling stability and rollover resistance, making the vehicle safer in corners. 0 to 60 acceleration comes in around 5 seconds, which is quicker than most economy cars on sale today. Top speed reaches 100 miles per hour, which is more than enough for any legal driving anywhere. The vehicle is equipped with frontal crumple zones, side impact beams, airbags, and auto-ratcheting safety belts for protection. The architecture that looks so radical from the outside quietly meets and exceeds the safety benchmarks of conventional vehicles. Those benchmarks were set by vehicles that have had decades to refine their conventional designs without major breakthroughs. Driving the vehicle feels completely natural despite the dramatic visual departure from familiar car shapes, according to early testers. It is smooth and it is quiet and it is responsive in exactly the ways a well-engineered electric vehicle should be. There is genuine headroom and legroom inside for adults who are tall or broad-shouldered without any discomfort. A panoramic windshield opens the forward view dramatically, making the cabin feel open and airy and spacious. The cargo area in the rear is more spacious than the exterior silhouette suggests for surprising amounts of storage. Wide enough for serious practical use, including camping, surfing equipment, mountain bikes, and genuine utility trips for families. The manufacturing strategy was built around the same efficiency principles that were applied to the vehicle itself for consistency. The facility in Carlsbad, California covers less than 100,000 square feet, which is remarkably small for auto production. Within that relatively compact space, the team has built a 14-station assembly line capable of serious output. That line can produce more than 20,000 vehicles per year at full rate, with room to grow further. The 6-component body structure is the foundation of that manufacturing simplicity and speed and low cost. Every part is hand-positionable by a simple worker without heavy lifting equipment or complex robotics. The entire body structure weighs less than 100 pounds, which is shockingly light for a crash-safe vehicle. Capital-efficient tooling makes meaningful production volumes achievable without the billions in factory investment traditional automakers require. The first production vehicle recently drove off the validation assembly line in Carlsbad, captured on video for the community. That moment represented a genuine milestone after years of engineering work and countless setbacks and long nights. The vehicle is now undergoing active validation testing on real roads in and around Southern California in all conditions. Crash testing and durability testing and software integration testing are all progressing on schedule toward final approval. The goal is to deliver the first vehicle to a paying customer before the end of the current calendar year. Then the company plans to scale meaningfully into 2027 with higher volumes and more options for buyers. The launch edition vehicle was deliberately simplified to make that first production phase as clean and executable as possible. One color, one interior, one configuration, and one range option for the first vehicles rolling off the line. The goal is velocity of delivery, not variety of options, so customers get their vehicles faster. Almost 50,000 reservations are already on the books from people who put down real money years ago. That reservation base represents a remarkable pre-built demand pool for a vehicle that has not yet entered commercial production. The community supporting the company extends well beyond reservation holders to millions of followers watching closely. Every journey powered by the sun is the phrase the company returns to repeatedly because it describes a physical reality. Validation vehicles are accumulating real miles on real roads with real sunlight right now in Southern California. Solar panels are converting real photons into real electrons that move real wheels down the highway today. The engineering questions that once existed only in computer simulations have been answered in metal and carbon fiber and glass. The road ahead involves execution and capital discipline and scaling production without breaking quality or safety. The foundation underneath that road was built on a question nobody else thought worth asking seriously enough to answer. That question is now answered, And the answer is driving on public roads today, proving the impossible possible.